basically, welcome back to my channel. I just really want to get right into this video. I don't want to do a super long intro. Basically, as you can see by the title, today is going to be a new iPhone unboxing. I wasn't going to record this and I was just going to do this like on my own, but you guys really like my MacBook unboxing and like customization, and honestly I don't really know what I'm doing with this because yeah, I don't really know what to do with like customization, and I don't know if I'm going to do it on this video. But I will say, so this is the new iPhone, the iPhone 13 Pro. It's October 10th, so iOS 15 has been come out, but I haven't updated my phone to see it. So this will also be like a first look at iOS 15. We're just gonna get straight into this video. A little disclaimer, I am paying for this phone. This wasn't just handed to me. I don't want to come off as spoiled or anything like that. I'm just very excited, and you guys really liked my MacBook unboxing video, so that's why, like I said, I decided to unbox this for you guys. I don't have as many accessories for this as I did my MacBook. The only accessories that I got: screen protector. I don't know if you guys know, in the new iPhones they don't come with charging blocks. They come with charging wires, but they don't come with charging blocks. So I just got a pack of chargers as well from Amazon. It comes with like the USB-C charging block along with 2 wires. Then I got my phone case, and let me tell you, I already opened it. I did already open it. I'm not even gonna cap. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I did open it, but it's so pretty. Look at the freaking case. Go ahead, focus. Look at how ooh, whistle tone. She is so ooh, I love it. I love it. This new phone that I got is 128 gigabyte because that's the least amount of gigabytes that you can get with the new iPhones. I'm only using 49 gigabytes out of my 64, so I don't really know how much I'm going to use out of the 128, but you know, it's like, it's good to have it. Okay, we're just gonna get right into it. No more lollygagging, no more dilly-dallying. So I'm gonna set you up so you can like see the box. I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be aesthetic. We're gonna be tech YouTubers today. Okay, gotcha. So this is what the box looks like. There's no plastic wrapping on it, but there are these little tabs in the back, so I'm gonna try and make that as aesthetic as possible. Okay, that wasn't as aesthetic as I wanted it to be. Okay. Stop it. Okay, I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot, actually. We're gonna just okay, she's gorgeous. I don't even want to take her out of the box. Very sleek. The 3 camera design is definitely new for me. I'm used to that. I'm used to the 1 little camera, so this is new. Okay, we love her. I really like the okay, I really like the square, which is not what the old ones. Okay, I'm gonna take off the paper. Stop it. And then, like I said, all we have is just the charging wire in here. Do not have any charging block. Oh my god, do you see that? Stop. Why was that so cute? Can we go back to English? Oh. Okay, so already, why is it is super dark, and for what? Quick start. Okay, bring your current iPhone or iPad. Okay, I did definitely watch unboxing videos. Oh, already? Okay. Set up new iPhone. Ooh, okay, wait a minute. This is like a matte feeling, which I didn't even notice, but I love that. So that means like scratches is like not gonna be a problem. Okay, it may take a few minutes. Hold on, major malfunction. It just asked for the last 4 digits of my social security number. We figured it out. Oh, ooh, it worked. Okay, let's set up Face ID. I want to like screen record it for you, but it's not letting me pull up the control center, so we'll just go ahead and do it here. The camera, whoa. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Okay, that probably just messed it up, but okay, so it's doing this now. It basically asked me if I want to set up like manually or if I want to like let it download like over Wi-Fi or something. That's basically what it just asked me. I just said to do it manually so my phone will be ready once everything's like transferred over, so that like I use it already transferred over and everything. So now it's just transferring, I believe. So while it's doing that, oh, make this your new iPhone. Continue by allowing Apple to store your audio interactions. No. And hopefully, since I don't have a lot on my phone, it won't take very long. But Casetify did send me these cleansing wet wipes. So while this is going, I'm just gonna put the screen protector on though, like while this is doing that, so. So it says now the transfer is complete, and then my data's been transferred over to this phone. It looks like whatever is going on with this phone. And she is done. Let's see if it's like the same as like, okay, so same format here. Same format here. It looks like everything is loading, and same thing here. Kind of just like waiting for all these apps to load now, I guess. But I'll catch up with you guys like in a second when like all this stuff loads, so I can like start messing with stuff. So she set up. I'm very much excited. I am gonna screen record and like show you guys some things, because like I said, very much that's the timer, that's not screen record. This is the first time of me like looking at iOS 15 right off the bat. Very much love this phone. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, the scrolling is just like so smooth. I don't know if that's, I can't remember if that's an iOS 15 thing or one of the new iPhone things, because I did hear like that was a thing or whatever. One thing that I do want to play with is the camera, so let's get into the camera real quick. Okay, photographic styles, choose style. Standard. So this is like kind of like filters, I guess. Whoa, look at that camera quality. Let's talk about her. So since I have the iPhone XR, I've never had this little 0.5 or 3 thing. I believe before though it was 2. Oh, y'all see me? But there's 0.5. Okay, that's crazy. What? You can see the dust on top of that face mask. Cut it out right now. Whoa. Okay, I don't know what that... Huh? Y'all see how it like focuses differently? Like when it sits there for a second? Okay. What is this button in the corner? I forgot about that. You can like copy and paste like words. Stop it. Okay, get out of there. I don't need that. Okay, yeah, so that's that. Next thing that I wanted to look at, cinematic video. Add beautiful shallow depth of field. Okay. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Yeah, camera, love this. Next thing, what's new in notes? Let's look at notes. Organize with tags, mention and share notes, and activity view. Activity updates show you what's been happening in your shared notes. Okay. Oh, what's new? Okay, what's new in photos? I forgot I want to check out photos. Okay. Share what you see relevant shared photos and videos from messages in for you in your library. And memories, discover a new interactive memory experience with songs from Apple. Okay, I don't have Apple Music, but you know, you get the point. Richer info. Find out where photos were taken, their camera settings, and the objects. Apple Music and privacy. Okay, I don't have Apple Music, so that doesn't really matter, but delete that. Okay, y'all see the senior pictures. Y'all seeing them, y'all seeing them. Well, honestly, I don't know much about phones and I don't have much customization that I want to do right now because it definitely is late and I'm definitely tired and I definitely have work at 7 in the morning. So I'll give you a last little look of the phone and the case. Honestly, love it already. It's literally so nice. I cannot wait to play with the camera more. Homecoming for me is this weekend, so that'll be fun. I noticed that the notifications are different. I don't know what else to say. I don't know really what else to customize. I am, now that I have more storage on my phone, I will be customizing it more, I guess, and like hopefully downloading more things and everything, making my phone like, I'm gonna reorganize my phone. If you guys want like a what's on my iPhone, I can do that for you guys if you would like that. I don't know how, like maybe once I play with like iOS 15 more and like I customize my phone more with like that, it'll be better. But right now I don't really know. I just kind of wanted to unbox it for you guys, show you guys my case. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Let me know down in the comments if you guys do want to see what's in my iPhone, or let me know down in the comments what I should do with this phone, because I literally have no clue what I'm doing like customizing wise. So make sure to let me know, because like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, so love you guys so much. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all social medias down below, including Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I'm not really on Twitter much. Like, I'll go through phases with Twitter, not the point. But yeah, so follow me on all those social medias. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.